How to avoid a DWI in Texas? Well, the best tip is don't drink and drive. The second best tip is be responsible if you do go out and have something to drink. So a good general rule is no more than 1 drink per hour, okay? Because say for a 150-pound male, 1 drink, which usually is defined as, say, a 12-ounce normal beer, you know, some beers have more alcohol than others, but, or one mixed drink with 1 shot of approximately 80 proof alcohol, those will add or contribute to a 0.02 alcohol concentration. Again, that's for a 150-pound male. The heavier a person is, then the more alcohol it's going to take to contribute that same amount. But also the body metabolizes alcohol at the rate of almost 1 drink per hour. So this varies from person to person and from time to time, but generally the body removes about 0.015, which is almost that 0.02. So about 0.015 per hour. So if you don't have more than 1 drink per hour, then you're probably not going to ever get to the point of being intoxicated, that is, not having a normal use of your mental or physical faculties, or being over 0.08. Now also a good thing is to eat. So if you eat and you have food in your stomach at the same time that you drink, then the food will absorb some of the alcohol and slow the absorption. So the same amount of alcohol in your stomach will not get you as high to as high a concentration as if you don't have any alcohol in the stomach. So it'll flatten the curve out a little bit. Now it may stay in the system just a little bit longer, but you won't get to as high a concentration if there's food in the stomach. And the type of food can affect this as well. So you know, heavy foods, fried foods, they're gonna absorb more alcohol and slow the absorption better. So eating, that's a good thing. Spreading the alcohol out over a long period of time. Having some period of time where you allow your body to metabolize the alcohol that you've had to drink before you drive again. So that's a pretty good way to avoid a DWI in Texas. Another good way is to Uber or get a taxi or have a designated driver. Now, one thing about designated driver is the designated driver should not drink at all. I've had a lot of conversations with people who consider themselves a designated driver, and they thought, well, I'll just drink less than everybody else. But that's not really a good plan. So those are some of the ways to avoid a DWI in Texas.